Hi guys, Kritika here. Today I'm just plan to give you a bit idea about stress. Stress. We all of us, each and everyone, we go through this stress in our day-to-day activity. Okay, so today I just plan to talk about this stress, the impact of stress on our body, and how to overcome stress. So these are the things we are discussing about. Sorry, I am discussing about. So let us know first what is stress. Okay, stress is what it's a body's reaction to challenge or demand. Means if we are supposed to react to a challenge or demand what we face in our day-to-day activity, it is termed to be the stress. We know that it's quite natural and it is a physical reaction to any of the things what happens every day. So what if we are more into stress kind of things, it leads to inflammation in our body. So let us discuss what is inflammation. Okay, we know like stress what we suffer every day. It's because of we used to think like, oh, what has happened few years back, or if we are fear for the future, what will happen in the future, like that. If we are thinking of the past so much or future so much, it leads to the chronic inflammation in our body. Okay, which is not good for our body for long time. It will not be good. So what this inflammation leads to? Inflammation leads to many kind of problems in our body. Okay, gut destruction means the digestion process will be low, and we will suffer a lot of digestive issues within us. The heart related diseases we will go with, the lung problems, the joint pain starts occurring in us, or the skin rashes, or different kinds of skin problems we will face. Okay, so many things we will get if the body gets inflamed. It shows us in these many kinds. Okay, so what will happen when the stress happen in our body? What impact it will have on our body means it triggers two hormones in our body. Okay, what are those? One is cortisol and another one is adrenaline, we call it as. Okay, these two are the stress hormones what will be generated in the body when we undergo stress. Okay, so let us discuss both in separate what they have impact on our body. Okay, internally. First, cortisol. What is this cortisol? It is a hormone which is released when we take lot of stress in our day-to-day activity. What it does actually means it inhibits the insulin production. Means suddenly it will increase the insulin production in the body, which leads to the narrowing of the blood vessels, and it makes the heart to pump quite harder than usual. Okay, the heart starts pumping harder than the usual. So what happens when the cortisol levels are increased? As I already told, the body will be inflamed, and it will directly it will affect the immune system response and also the digestion process. Okay, now it's time to learn about the adrenaline. Adrenaline is also a hormone which is released when we are under stress. Okay, what it does actually, it increases the heart rate like crazy, and the respiratory rate also will increase. So that what happens, there is a full of imbalance happens in our body when the body gets into the stress. Okay, now, what is the solution? What are the solutions we can find to lead a stress free life? Because in our day to day life, currently, I can say that each and every one we are going through different kinds of stress. Okay, the work pressure, the traveling pressure, the for the household people, they do have their own kind of stress levels. Okay, different people suffer different kinds of stress. So these are few of the solution what I feel it's helpful for you people. If you follow these kind of these solutions what I am giving, it will help you to come out of the stress as soon as possible. Okay, so let us discuss what are those. The first and foremost thing is balanced lifestyle. Lifestyle is not the thing how you look from outside, guys. It's all about within, how you keep your health what you put into your mouth, that is time to be the lifestyle. Okay, the balanced lifestyle means what it is. You should be, if you want to put your body in a better condition, you should give your body the required vitamins, minerals, good fat, the carbs, proteins, everything. What balanced way, in my upcoming presentation you'll get to know what is the respective carbs, protein. I'll be doing all the presentation separately, so you'll get the clear picture about all those. Okay, so the everything what you balancedly how you are eating your food, that is nothing but the amount of protein, vitamin, minerals, phytonutrients, that and all you're giving to your body will define your lifestyle. That is a balanced lifestyle. Okay, so coming to the next thing, rest well. What do you mean by rest well? It's not, I'm not talking about resting well unusual means what, sleeping at the afternoon sessions and all, it's not good. Okay, I'm talking about rest well in the sense you should have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day, guys. Every day you should sleep minimum of 7 hours at every night. Okay, what happens when you sleep well, the cortisol levels will be reduced, so that the stress impact on your body will be reduced. Okay, and the third one is be active, guys. Be active, it's the main thing. I'm not telling you like be active means you have to walk around or jump around or doing some sort of things which keeps your heart rate high. I'm just talking about this being active in the sense you should be like, you should not be idle, because there is a proverb like idle mind is devil's workshop. I just don't want you people to be like that. Just be active, keep yourself busy with some good things, to working with needful things. Just you go with that kind of thing, that will make you to be active. Okay, don't be idle anymore. Be mindful. The next one is being mindful. What is this mindful? Being in the present, that is termed to be the mindfulness. Okay, don't always think like, oh, this has happened to me before, or oh, what will be my tomorrow, or what will be my future. Don't just think of all those stuffs. Be in the moment, guys. Be in the moment. That is termed to be the mindfulness. Okay, the if you practice that, you will be stress free. Okay, so now coming to the last thing, meditation. What is this meditation? Meditation is what? It gives you ideas, guys, intuitions you will get from meditation. When you, I'm not telling you like do meditation for 2 hours or 3 hours. Just practice meditating for 5 minutes every day. Then bring it up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can improve your meditation time as you move on with the days. Okay, so what happens, it's all about breathing technique, guys. You'll get to know the details of meditation in one of my presentation. Okay, there are several different breathing techniques what you can follow to bring down your stress level by doing meditation. Okay, that's all. Breathing will bring down everything, thoughts, everything what you get, it will be like in control when you do your meditation, guys. When we are active throughout the life, throughout the day, and when we do all these stuffs, our endorphin levels will be high. Endorphin is a hormone. When it is removed, sorry, it is released when we are active, guys. The endorphin, when endorphin is released, that hormone will makes the blood flow very easy. So easy blood flow in the sense our body is healthy and it is stress free, and at that time the cortisol level will be very low, guys. So it will control your stress. I promise, if you what follow these 5 things, sure, for sure, I'll tell you, you'll come out of stress. I think this is quite useful to all of you guys. I feel really awesome by explaining all this to you. So please do like my videos, subscribe to my channel for this kind of videos. Since I'm a lifestyle influencer, I'll be uploading different kinds of lifestyle improvement presentation in the upcoming slides, so that it will be helpful for you. Please do support me, like my presentation or the video what you have seen now, and just subscribe to my channel so that you are the first one to get my presentation, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching.